Welcome to Halloweenly fans. Today we're featuring the fabulous and classic Marge Simpson.
Oh, Bart, you're my special little guy.
I'm doing the intro and outro off camera today in the interest of time since we have so many costumes to get through. So let's get started on the how-to followed by a quick slideshow. Here we go. All right, so from top to bottom, the classic Marge Simpson hair was just a Bride of Frankenstein wig, which I spray painted blue several coats. And then for the face, I just did some eyelashes that I tilted upward to make them look wide-eyed like hers. For the necklace, I went to Michael's and picked up some styrofoam balls, and you can tell I got just the right size. And then I spray painted those red. And then when those were dry, I just took some fishing line and threaded it through the balls with a big needle. And then I put it around my neck on the day of the contest and then just tied it off in the back. And then for the dress, I picked out a bolt of green fabric. I asked the lady to wrap it around me twice and then cut it wherever that ended up being. And so on the day of, I just did the same thing. I wrapped it around myself twice and then I safety pinned it, and that was the dress. And then for the shoes, I just found some plain shoes that look like hers at Walmart. And again, I have size 12 feet, and so there's not that many to choose from. So those happen to be white. So I spray painted those red, but you can probably find some red shoes in your size since you're not a giant like myself. And now for the slideshow.